To change from the stock vinyl cutting cartridge to the carpet tile cutting cartridge, rotate the height adjustment knob until the blade is all the way retracted. Loosen the two removal knobs, press down on the receiver, and rotate out. Next, use the included wrench to remove the long bolts. Remove the vinyl cutting cartridge, set aside. Take your Carpet Tile cartridge, which has the tapered support rollers and a much shorter profile. Insert the bolts along with the springs and insert into the receiver. Again, make sure the knob is fully retracted. Slide the receiver into place and lift up. Pulling up, rotate the detents into place. It will snap. Then tighten that knob. Tighten the sides. Bring the blade down until it goes past the lower blade on the outside. Machine is now ready to cut carpet tiles.